What's going on, everybody? Today we got another reset for you. It's Motorola G60. So it's a pretty cool phone, a little bit newer. I will show you guys how to do a reset on this. If you have one of these that has a pattern or a password and you don't know what the combination is, you got to do a hard reset. This is how you do it. As always, just remember when you're doing a hard reset, it will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it will be gone. So just give you guys that heads up. So use caution when doing this. So first thing we got to do is turn off the phone. You have your volume buttons over here, and then power button and this action button as well. So just hold the power button. It should bring up the power off menu. So we'll turn it off. And then what we want to do is we want to hold the volume down button, which is right there, and the power button at the same time. I like to hold the volume down button first. I'll show you guys from this angle so you can see a little bit better. And then hit the power button, keep holding it. And then that just brings us right to the choices that we have to get into the reset menu. We want to scroll down with the volume buttons. You want to scroll down to recovery, which is right there. Power button is your enter button, so we hit the power button. Could take a second to load to it, but there it is. You get a little Android with the open lid screen with the no command screen. To get out of this into the actual reset menu, it's a combination of power and volume. I usually like to hold the power button and then tap volume up, or backwards. No, sorry, it was right the first time. So hold power and tap volume up. And we want to use the volume buttons to scroll down and scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Enter as your power button is your enter button. And then confirm again, factory data reset. And now the phone is resetting. Once it's done, it'll bring back to that regular screen again, as you can see. And all you would do is just tap the enter button for the top choice, which is a reboot system now. So we'll do that, and we are all done. This is how you do a hard reset on a Moto G60. If you guys have any questions or have another phone that you're having trouble with to do a hard reset on, drop a comment. I'll try to get that up for you. Give us a like, subscribe, do what you got to do. Appreciate all the help. Thanks.